It is now time for the safety slap. Machine guarding is one of OSHA's biggest target areas for fines. Improper machine guarding can result in thousands of dollars in unnecessary fines for your company. Check out this list of 5 big mistakes in machine guarding and see how your company fares. Number 5. You don't account for the different configurations or interchangeable parts of certain machinery. Some pieces of machinery have different sizes of blades and different parts that can be switched out to perform different functions. For example, grinders often have different kinds of buffing and sanding wheels as well as wire brush wheels. You should make sure the guard is effective for all different settings and parts of a piece of machinery, even ones not often used. At number 4, you only install a guard for the most obvious risk, like a moving blade. There are other risks beyond those found at the point of operation, which would be the part of the machinery where the appointed task is accomplished, such as cutting or grinding. Other parts of the machine that move should be guarded to keep your employees from getting pinched, crushed, caught, and so on. A few examples of such parts are pulleys, chains, gears, belts, and cranks. At number 3, you assume it's the manufacturer's responsibility to provide guards, not yours. There are no laws that require manufacturers to install guards on their machinery. Therefore, the employer who purchases the machinery has to fully inspect it and have the necessary guards installed. It's not the manufacturer who will pay fines if an employee gets injured. At number 2, you think your personal protective equipment will be protection enough. While PPE is vital, it should be considered a last line of defense after all machine and engineering controls have been put in place. Gloves may protect the skin on your hands, but they won't keep your hand from getting crushed or cut. Glasses and face shields provide a protective barrier between you and debris, but if an object is traveling fast enough, it can still be a hazard. And at number 1, you don't bother with machine guarding because you know what you're doing. The bottom line is accidents happen. You may be an expert at handling a particular piece of machinery, but you can still trip or momentarily lose focus, not to mention the endless possibilities for mechanical malfunction. It's likely that every person who has ever been injured on the job thought they knew what they were doing. By taking the appropriate measures to machine guard your equipment, you can protect your employees from injury and potentially avoid thousands of dollars in unnecessary OSHA fines. Thanks for watching this Safety Slap. Be sure to visit us at fssamerica.com for more information.